This weather report brought to you by Austart Homes.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The intensely hot atmosphere, which yesterday raised the mercury to nearly 50 degrees in South Australia, is now moving into Queensland. Sea breezes will give coastal areas some protection from extreme temperatures this weekend, but inland we're set to bust new records. 31 degrees atop today in our local provincial capital, after a low this morning of 23, and a similar trend elsewhere. Humidity this afternoon at the airport was 72%. Let's look at the satellite loop now. The tropical showers are starting to ease, the ones that have been affecting far north Queensland for the last couple of days. Still a few out there, but by tomorrow they should be mainly gone. Just a few % chance of showers left. And as you go south, they become less and less likely. We had a few light ones come through the Whitsundays today as well. The southeast and the Darling Downs have generally been very dry. Now on today's chart, firstly the hot weather pattern that's been moving east the whole time, which caused those incredibly high temperatures yesterday, is starting to move into Queensland. The elephant in the room is of course the upper atmosphere, because we have this gigantic upper level high which is pushing air downwards and it's getting compressed, and that's heating it up, making for these extreme temperatures, and we're basically under this air mass for several more days. Now on tomorrow's chart, that trough starts moving eastward, the northwesterlies start to form ahead of it, and very hot weather will be right across the interior part of Queensland. Then on the outlook chart, as the trough gets closer to the coast, we might even see some mid to high 30s near the coast. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters: southeast winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots on Sunday, and still 10 to 15 for Monday, so boating's good. First up tomorrow at the crack of dawn, we have a high tide, though with the new moon still far away, it won't be an especially big one. Low tide follows around 6 hours later. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, a slight chance of a coastal shower only. Cairns 23 up to 32 degrees, Atherton 29, Innisfail 31, Mareeba 32. And looking ahead for Cairns, the lead up to Christmas is going to be intensely warm and humid, with temperatures peaking around 34 degrees on Christmas and Boxing Day, and passing shower or two. For Atherton, fairly comfortable this weekend, but again mid-30s on Christmas and Boxing Day, with no sign of a cool change and a forever diminishing chance of rain. Let's end the week with a happy snap, this one taken from Bukacia Beach at sunrise. The diverging golden rays reflected in the water are called crepuscular rays, caused by cloud shadows projected into the sky. Thanks Margie Alexander for the photo. Have a nice weekend, folks, and now it's back to the team.
Terrific, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you back on Monday night.
And of course, you can enjoy a replay of tonight's news over on 7 2 from 6:30. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.